Alright, so what's up, YouTube? I got another unboxing here. This one came from ZUMIEZ. And I ordered 2 hats and a skate tool. So, yeah. What's that bullshit? No, that's fucking duty shit. Yeah. I'm gonna stab myself. Bullshit. Some terrible wrapping job. Very terrible wrapping job. The last time I ordered from ZUMIEZ, I ordered shoes, and they gave me a bunch of stickers. They gave me 10 stickers now. That's just okay if I want to return anything. There's one hat, truck fit, snapback. It's pretty beautiful. They had a buy one get one free on it. Yeah, they had a buy one get one free. So I bought that other one there. I'll show you in a minute. This one has, and I got this for free. It's Mob. Okay, I'm sick too. So and a unit tool that was supposed to be blue, but they give me a black one. But anything will do. So as long as I got it, I suppose. And here is my crew hat. Original. By Crew. And this is the one I got for buy one get one free. Also a snapback. And it's purple and blue, and now it's just all blue. This is what I really wanted. If it wasn't like buy one get one free, I would have ordered just this one. But it was buy one get one free, so I had the other one too. So yeah, they didn't give me no stickers this time. I'm disappointed. Yeah, so I got these 2 hats. Those 2 hats. And a unit tool. Yeah, so that was my unboxing from ZUMIEZ. Ordered it. When did I order that? Ordered that last Wednesday. This is a Tuesday. So they don't deliver on weekends, so it was pretty fast, I guess. If I'd ordered on Monday, I would have got it Thursday or Friday. But I didn't order it on a Monday, so ordered on my birthday, which is May 29th. So yeah, that's my unboxing, and peace.